Oh.
Whoa.
I guess that's how she says, wow. Wow. I kind of want to touch the inside.
All right, I want a bigger tornado effect.
Wait. Oh, it's yellow. Like popcorn. I'm looking from the side.
Wow, look
Whoa, look at the tornado.
You see that? Do you see the tornado, like, going in there?
Is that cool?
That is so cool.
Is that ginger?
Yeah.
Wait,
That's
there's
too
nothing on the top.
What do you think, Mommy?
All right, let's do one more.